I can't believe it. Maybe my father was also very surprised. मेरा first shot ही smash था. She was like, नहीं नहीं, get her, it's okay, you know. Nice to see my parents play in the club. तो हर एक sport खेलती थी, but badminton नहीं खेलती थी क्योंकि वो खेल रहे थे. So
Okay.
I was like, इनको बस देखती हूँ खेलते हुए.
So, what's the city that you really, when you played, you said, I just need to come back here to see this city? Is there any city like that
There was Singapore, London,
Okay.
there was Paris. So I wanted to go back and see आराम से कि होता क्या है. I never thought कि यही टूर्नामेंट में मैं पोडियम पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी या इतने सारे इंडियंस फिलीपींस में आएंगे मुझे देखने के लिए, मेरा मैच देखने के लिए. I was the first one to win Super Series. I was the first one to win World Juniors. I was the first one to win Commonwealth Games gold. I was the first one to win Olympic medal. But I just feel that more than equipments, trainer, physios, mental training and coach, ये बहुत मैटर करता है.
Today's guest is one of India's greatest ever sportsperson. She won her first title at 16. She won a BMW Super Series, the first Indian to do that. She was the first Indian to be world number one in badminton. She was also the first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal. She has won 24 titles, including 2 Commonwealth golds, and we really appreciate her being here. In 2006, you were the first Indian woman to win a tournament, a championship series tournament. And when I was doing research for this, the internet believes that at the time, that organizers did not expect this at all. So they didn't even have the national anthem queued up, and they had to look for it and find it. When you won that tournament, did you know how alone you were, or sort of what a pioneer you were for Indian badminton? Did any of those thoughts come? Did you realize immediately after what you had done?
Yeah, I think it was a very big tournament for me at that point of time. I started playing badminton just for the sake of playing some sport. You know, I
Okay.
was a very sporty person, and in fact, at that point of time, we didn't have any female player who were playing at the highest level from India, but we were just having good national champions, and of course, we had Prakash sir winning All England championships and Gopi sir as well. So we just had few names who were doing extremely well, and here comes me with some little bit of attitude of fighting spirit and working really hard, and the coaches were really impressed and they were like, Saina can do very well at the highest level. But it was all fun for me because I was only 9, 10 years old, and my mom used to tell me, she's just a housewife, and she used to tell me that you will be my Olympic champion, you will be my world champion. And I was like, Mummy, what are you even saying? China, Korea, ये सब इतने strong powerhouse है badminton के, and you are expecting me to be someone, so big. But धीरे धीरे, I progressed. I started winning so many national level tournaments, and luckily Gopi sir became our coach when I was only 13, and our group was very very young.
Okay.
And he made a lot of changes in our routine. Like he was like, you don't have to kill yourself, 6-7 घंटे का अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करना चाहिए, क्वालिटी ट्रेनिंग करना चाहिए. मैं वेजिटेरियन थी तो उन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत मेरे फूड में करेक्शन किया. ही वॉज टेलिंग मी दैट कि व्हेन यू हैव टू ट्रैवल सो मच इन ए ईयर, तो यू विल हैव टू हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ नॉन वेज, ये सब खाना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. एंड दीज फ्यू चेंजेस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज लाइक अ रैली प्लेयर, आई यूज्ड टू लव रनिंग and picking up all the shots, but I didn't have that good sharp stroke to finish the rally. So he made sure that I improve those kind of shots. And within no time, I was in the Commonwealth Games team, and it was the first time for us to win the bronze medal in the team event. And within 1 month comes the Philippines Open, and I am world number 200, and I'm playing against world number 3 and in the quarterfinals. And it was just like a dream run. I was like, what is happening? First of all, I just came here to play well, to give my best. My coaches were expecting that I will do well, but they never expected I will go on winning it. And I was also down 14-7 in the third set in the quarterfinals, and I won the match 21-16. So there were a lot of ups and downs in the tournament, but in a way, that match quarterfinals gave me a lot of confidence. Now that if I can defeat someone so high level, I can also win the tournament. But आई नेवर थॉट कि यही टूर्नामेंट में मैं पोडियम पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी या इतने सारे इंडियंस फिलीपींस में आएंगे मुझे देखने के लिए, मेरा मैच देखने के लिए. एंड सो मेनी सपोर्टेड मी दैट डे, यू नो, स्पेशली इन द क्वार्टर फाइनल, सेमीज एंड फाइनल्स. इतने सारे इंडियंस थे वहाँ पे. एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड, यू नो, हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ. यू नो, आई यूज्ड टू टॉक टू माई मॉम, माई डैड, मतलब इंटरनेशनल कॉल लगी रहती थी.
हाँ.
मैं हाफ एन आवर, 1 hour, आई टू कीप calling them and asking, is it actually happening? Should I believe this? But they were like, it is in you, it is in you, you can do it, you are capable of doing so well. जो सामने खेल रहा है, डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि वो भी कोई मशीन नहीं है, यू नो, वो भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है. उसने भी अच्छी मेहनत करी है. दैट्स व्हाई ही और शी
Yeah.
इज इन दैट पोजीशन. यू जस्ट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. एंड फॉर अस, यू आर ऑलरेडी अ चैम्पियन, यू हैव प्लेड सो वेल. तो वो मोटिवेशन मुझे और आता था. मम्मी का भी बहुत encouragement था. तो आई थिंक दैट फर्स्ट टूर्नामेंट इज स्टिल, आई कैन से दैट कि अनबिलीवेबल था जो रिजल्ट था. But I was so proud to stand on the podium, and I think that tournament really gave me the confidence that yes, maybe I can be someone who is not just एक बार जीत के
हाँ.
खत्म हो जाएगा टाइप्स प्लेयर. मे बी आई कैन, यू नो, कंटिन्यूसली शो रिजल्ट्स एंड ब्रिंग मेनी मोर मेडल्स फॉर द कंट्री. या
But even by the time you went for the tournament,
या
um, your training is almost legendary.
यस.
Um, um, did and I think your mom played
Mom and dad both played. Yes.
badminton as well at the
Yes.
state level,
Yeah.
and then you started with karate.
Karate. Yes.
Um, did you always then know कि इतना training तो करना ही पड़ेगा या I'll have to put in 8, 9, 10 hours? Even as a young, it's hard for young people
Yes.
when there's school and there's other distractions and there's friends. Um, were you always clear that it has to be badminton, or how hard was it for you to train that much?
No, I was not clear. I was also having few friends in Haryana. हरियाणा से हैदराबाद शिफ्ट हुए हम लोग. एंड आई टू सी माई पेरेंट्स प्ले इन द क्लब. तो हर एक स्पोर्ट खेलती थी, बट बैडमिंटन नहीं खेलती थी क्योंकि वो खेल रहे थे. सो
Okay.
आई वाज लाइक, इनको बस देखती हूँ खेलते हुए. बट आई टू सी देम प्ले एंड दे लव्ड इट, यू नो. आई डोंट नो क्या था कि वो एवरी डे जाते थे खेलने के लिए. एंड आई यूज्ड टू डू स्विमिंग, टेबल टेनिस, क्रिकेट, कुछ भी हुआ मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में खेलती थी. आई वाज अ स्पोर्टी पर्सन, आई शुड लव स्पोर्ट्स. बट पापा का प्रमोशन हो गया एंड वी मूव टू हैदराबाद. एंड वहाँ जाने के बाद, यू नो, इनिशियली फर्स्ट ईयर आई वाज लाइक, फ्रेंड्स नहीं बन रहे, लैंग्वेज
Yeah.
इशू हो रहा है, क्या करूँ क्या करूँ. कराटे क्लासेस वर गोइंग ऑन नेक्स्ट टू माई हाउस. एंड पापा वॉज लाइक, जॉइन इट एंड सी इफ यू लाइक इट, टू कंटिन्यू इट. 1 साल मैंने किया एंड आई वॉज डूइंग रियली वेल. वो डिफिकल्ट स्टंट्स करवाते हैं आपको एंड दे मेक यू रियली स्ट्रांग मेंटली, यू नो. अच्छा लगता है कि यू फाइट विद बॉयज एंड
Yeah.
डिफरेंट कथास करनी होती है. अच्छा लगता है, वो मज़ा आ रहा था. एंड देन फाइनली आई गॉट ब्राउन बेल्ट. उसके बाद एक ही बेल्ट और चाहिए था, ब्लैक बेल्ट.
Correct.
बट देन आई वाज फाइंडिंग इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, यू नो. दिस टू जंप ऑन स्टमक एंड आपको स्ट्रांग बनाने के लिए डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइज करवाते थे. बट एज एन 8-year-old आई वॉज फीलिंग लाइक बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. आई वॉज जस्ट हाइडिंग फ्रॉम द कोचेज. आई डिडंट वांट टू गो टू द क्लासेस. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड माई मॉम, यू नो, अगेन के कोई ऐसा स्पोर्ट हो जहाँ पे मार ऐसा खाने को ना मिले, यू नो. आई जस्ट वांट टू प्ले. तो फिर आ गया समर हॉलीडेज एंड देन वी वेंट टू Lal Bahadur Stadium, where badminton is very big, and Papa requested a coach over there, can Saina join the summer camp? उनकी उसकी छुट्टी भी है, तो if she likes the game, maybe she can continue, otherwise summer camp के लिए. But he said, आप लेट हो गए हो, next year आइए क्योंकि admissions खत्म हो गए हैं. But then he was like, can you just see her play? अगर ठीक लगा तो she will, you know, join. And even I can't believe it. Maybe my father was also very surprised. मेरा first shot ही smash था. And it was like, beginner को ऐसा होता नहीं है. Usually they have like toss or
It takes
drop.
time, yeah.
Actually, it takes time. And coach was like, नहीं, get her, it's okay, you know, she's a good player. तो वहाँ से जर्नी शुरू हुआ. आई देन अगेन इट वाज लाइक समर कैंप में सिर्फ मॉर्निंग्स में ट्रेनिंग होता था. एंड 1 month आई शोड वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स. 1 month में ये भी तय हो गया था कि मैं ओलंपिक प्लेयर बनूंगी, मैं वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन हूँ. सब कुछ तय हो गया था मम्मी से, मेरे कोचेस से. एंड नाउ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस के लिए तो टाइम बचा ही नहीं, क्योंकि morning we used to get up at 4
Yeah.
and go 25 kilometers by bus and then come back, have good food. उसके बाद फिर नींद ही आती रहती थी, इतना थक जाते थे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई डिडंट हैव अ फिजियो ट्रेनर, सो होल नाइट माय मॉम यूज्ड टू सिट एंड मसाज माय लेग्स. वो इतना उन्होंने मेरे लिए मतलब किया वो टाइम पे, अच्छा-अच्छा खाना खिलाया ताकि मैं 10 या 11 इयर्स की हूँ तो आई कैन डिफीट समवन हू इज़ 17, 18। सो शी वाज़ एक्चुअली थिंकिंग वे अहेड, एंड उनके जो एक मैनिफेस्टेशन थी कि करेगी और कर सकती है, वो एक्चुअली मुझ में 12-13 साल तक आ गई थी। लेकिन इनिशियली 3 इयर्स ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज़ आल्सो फीलिंग इट कि मुझे पुश क्यों किया जा रहा है, मुझे इतनी मार क्यों खाने को पड़
Correct.
रही है इसके लिए। बट मेरे भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, मुझे भी टॉयज़ के साथ खेलना है। बट देन आई थिंक स्टैंडिंग ऑन द पोडियम एंड विनिंग, वो भी 500 हज़ार रुपए, या गेटिंग सम रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, पेपर में आ रहा था नाम मेरा, मेरा स्कूल इतना खुश था मुझसे। आई मीन सडनली वो थोड़े बहुत जो दुख हो रहे थे बीच
Correct.
बीच में, वो सडनली हैप्पीनेस में टर्न हो रहे थे, बिकॉज ऑल वर अप्रिशिएटिंग दैट देयर इज दिस न्यू किड हु इज डूइंग वेल इन बैडमिंटन एंड शी इज गेटिंग नेम टू आवर स्कूल। मम्मी पापा भी खुश थे, और वो पता भी नहीं चला कितना जल्दी टाइम चला गया। एंड आई वाज अंडर 10 डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैंपियन, अंडर 10 नेशनल चैंपियन, एंड देन नाउ आई एम आल्सो अंडर 19 नेशनल चैंपियन। सो एवरीथिंग हैपेंड रियली फास्ट इन माय करियर।
I read something else. Maybe you can confirm it that sometimes you would go by scooter,
Sometimes.
and it's 4 o'clock though in the morning, so you
Yeah.
would go to sleep, and so your
Yes.
mom had to sit behind you, and your
Yes.
dad had to sit
Sit
ahead,
in. Yeah.
so you don't fall
Yeah.
while you were sleeping.
संडेज भी किया है हमने वो।
Uh, when did you realize the effort that your parents put in? Like, at what age did you realize how
हाँ।
difficult that I have a 8-year-old and a 3-year-old, and even for me, sometimes if I have to wake up, or my wife does a lot of the work, but if she has to wake up at 5 o'clock, it's difficult. But to do it every day,
Yeah.
for a dream, because no one
Yes.
can guarantee any
Yes.
sports person, much less Olympic champion, but even national champion is difficult.
Yes.
When did you realize कितना effort उन्होंने डाला है, या the kind of sacrifices that the parents put in to help you?
आई थिंक मुझे जो फिजिकल वर्क था वो तो दिखाई दे ही रहा था, बट 12-13 आई थिंक आई वाज अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कितना एफर्ट्स लगा रहे हैं पापा मेरे लिए, कितना ऑफिस में लेट जा रहे हैं मेरी मेरी ट्रेनिंग की वजह से। यू नो व्हेन आई टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग समर कैंप में, तो 6 to 10:30, 11 तक आई टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड यूज्ड टू बी सिटिंग देयर एंड थिंकिंग my kid is enjoying, so let me just sit there and see how it is. And उसके बाद पता नहीं ऑफिस में क्या होता था, लेकिन but his friends were very supportive and they were happy that Saina wants to play, because उस टाइम तक मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैंपियन बन भी गई थी, so they were quite supportive. बट मुझे लगता है 12-13 साल में, जब मैं 9th-10th में 14 ईयर्स की होंगी, तब आई रियलाइज कि दे डिड दैट बिकॉज एक एम था उनका कि वो दोनों भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनना चाहते थे, बट आई एम श्योर वो टाइम
Correct.
पे नहीं हो पाया। तो आई थिंक दे सॉ दैट इन मी, दैट समवेयर आई लाइक स्पोर्ट्स, आई लाइक ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। तो मैं टीवी पे भी कोई टेनिस ये सब देखती रहती थी मैचेस, एंड दे वर लाइक कि साइना में है वो स्पिरिट एंड मे बी शी कैन डू वेल। इनिशियली वो पुश रिक्वायर्ड था, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द एज व्हेन यू वांट टू बिकम एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ, मतलब डॉक्टर
Yeah.
भी बनना है, प्लेयर भी बनना है, एंड यू डोंट हैव अ सेट गोल, यू नो इट जस्ट चेंजेस एवरी डे। बट व्हेन यू हैव समवन लाइक दैट बिहाइंड यू, हु इज थिंकिंग फॉर यू एंड हु इज़ पुटिंग इन योर माइंड कि तुझे चैंपियन बनना है बैडमिंटन में, एंड वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट। एंड उसके लिए जितनी भी मेहनत लगे, मतलब स्कूटर पे या बस में जाना, या 8 बजे जब स्कूल स्टार्ट हो जाता था, तो 8 बजे पापा मुझे वापस स्कूल में छोड़ते थे 8:30, एंड इवनिंग 3:30 मम्मी मुझे फिर से ऑटो में या बस में फिर से लेके जाती थी 25 किलोमीटर्स दूर। बट एक चीज़ ये हो गया था मम्मी के ऊपर, दैट शी वॉज लाइक अ फिजियो, शी वॉज लाइक अ डाइटिशियन, शी वॉज लाइक अ कोच, एवरीथिंग एक साथ बन के उनको काफ़ी आई एम श्योर स्ट्रेस तो हुआ ही होगा, क्योंकि जो जॉब अब किसी ट्रेनर का है, फिजियो का है, डाइटिशियन का है, मेंटल ट्रेनर का है, वो अकेली कर रही थी। आई मीन 10 साल के बाद आई ऑलरेडी प्लेड ओलंपिक्स, या आई ऑलरेडी हैड वन द वर्ल्ड जूनियर्स, मतलब 9 से 19 साल में मुझे
Yeah.
मेरा पहला फिजियो और ट्रेनर मिला।
मिला।
तो उस टाइम तक आई थिंक दे वर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, तो वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं 13-14 में रियलाइज़ हो गया। बट मनी वाइज कितना पापा ने अपने फ्रेंड से हेल्प लिया या लोन लिया, ये सब मुझे 18-19 के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि ही नेवर टोल्ड एनीथिंग, ही नेवर सेड कि मैं कहाँ से रैकेट लेके आ रहा हूँ, या मैं कहाँ से बैरल्स लेके आ रहा हूँ, या शूज़, यू नो इट वाज जस्ट सो एक्सपेंसिव। अभी तो और भी एक्सपेंसिव हो गए। दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम शटल बैरल वाज 500 रुपीज़, एंड शटल्स तो आपको पता है 2-3 दिन में 12 शटल्स
Finish.
जस्ट फिनिश लाइक दैट। तो
Especially the way you smash the, the shuttle.
एंड यू नो दैट ड्राइव वाज देयर समवेयर. मुझे लगता है अगर आपके अंदर ड्राइव है और आपको अच्छा करना है, आई नो डिपेंड्स ऑन द पेरेंट्स कितना पुश करना चाहते हैं, बट आई वुड से थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्टनेस अगर इनिशियली दिखाएंगे आप, तो यू स्टार्ट लाइकिंग इट ऑन योर ओन. अब मुझे क्या है, 11 साल 12 साल में अभी मम्मी संडे को नहीं उठा रही है या मुझे बोल रही है कि थोड़ा इजी ले ले आज, बट आई एम फीलिंग ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है, मुझे तो करना है. यू नो
Okay.
आपके अंदर आ जाता है वो दैट फीलिंग दैट नाउ व्हाई शी इज सेइंग कि आई एम गुड फॉर नाउ, आई विल पुश इट बिट मोर हार्ड. तो वो फीलिंग अंदर आपके आ ही जाता है इफ यू रियली वांट टू अचीव इट. क्योंकि प्लेयर्स तो मैंने देखे हैं, हज़ारों हैं वहाँ पे
Correct.
हु वांट टू प्ले, बट चैंपियंस तो एक दो ही निकलेंगे और उनके अंदर ही वो आप ड्राइव देखोगे. तो आई थिंक समवेयर दैट थिंग वाज इन मी कि मम्मी बोल तो रही है, सेटिस्फाई हो तो रही है, तो क्या होगा अगर मैं थोड़ा और पुश करके देखूंगी.
Correct.
क्या पता अंडर अंडर 13 के साथ साथ मैं 16 भी जीत जाऊँ या 19 भी जीत जाऊँ. तो दैट फीलिंग आई थिंक स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन मी आफ्टर 2-3 years of pushing
Great.
from them. Yes.
I have a slightly side point. I think that applies to all of us amateur sports people or armchair sports people because you spoke about equipment.
Yes.
Um, a lot of us play now maybe paddle or
Paddle.
pickle,
Pickle.
but we grew up playing badminton or table tennis. Same, obviously not at any level, but you know, and you get very excited about new rackets and better quality rackets and things like that. Um, at your level, when does that start making a difference? Or for a young person playing, how important is the quality of the equipment? When does that start making a difference? When is it your skill? You know, when should you then go and buy better equipment? It just always it's always a question that I have had. How much is the player? How much is the equipment?
मुझे लगता है 90% तो प्लेयर ही है. आप कुछ भी इक्विपमेंट
Correct.
से खेलो वो फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. जो इफ़ यू हैव द एग्जांपल लाइक ली चोंगवे एंड लिंडन, ली चोंगवे मलेशिया से
Yeah.
है, लिंडन चाइना से है, वो 75 सुपर सीरीज टाइटल्स जीत चुके हैं. आई मीन 8 वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप फाइनल्स या ऑल इंग्लैंड चैंपियन. मतलब अगर उनको आप कोई भी शू रैकेट दे दोगे तो मुझे लगता है वो वैसे भी जीत सकते हैं. आई मीन दे वर सो गुड. But it does matter, when you are like winning the national championships, when you are trying for the international level. So having a good racket, good punch, good shoes with good cushion really helps you a lot. तो वो चाहिए ही चाहिए, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक के आपको सडन मिलेगा. यू विल फील कि कब मुझे उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. वो भी आपका कोच और आपको खुद फीलिंग आ जाएगी. अगर आप स्टेट लेवल पे स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो तो आप उतने वही रैकेट वही शू पे रहेंगे. बट द मोमेंट आई won the state championship, I won the national championships, I got the sponsorship from Yonex, and then I started getting those shoes and rackets,
Yeah.
and I was like, yeah, बहुत light है. I felt it was very light and it will maybe help me, let us see. But वो तो प्रैक्टिस तो 5 घंटे की करनी ही पड़ी मुझे सुबह, और फिर शाम में भी 3-4 घंटे की प्रैक्टिस तो करनी ही है. इक्विपमेंट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू विद फीलिंग बेटर कि अच्छा रैकेट है मेरे पास, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, इंजरीज कम होंगे. And but I just feel that more than equipments, ट्रेनर, फिजियोज, मेंटल ट्रेनिंग एंड कोच, ये बहुत मैटर करता है. वो ये चीज़ अगर आपको स्टार्टिंग से मिल जाएगी तो इक्विपमेंट का तो आई मीन इट्स लाइक जस्ट 10-15 days में यू विल बी यूज टू इट. बट your training from start of your career, your mental condition, your food, if it is on point. I mean, if some players achieve at the age of 19,
Yeah.
20, they can achieve at the age of 14, 15 as well.
Do you feel then, that despite everything that you have achieved, you could have done better?
Much better, for sure.
Is
I,
that
is
feeling?
it is always in my head. It is like I started something, and then people started believing कि हम कर सकते हैं. But अगर if I had a team from the age of 9, 10, maybe I could have won all the championships as well. Maybe you never know, Olympic gold.
Yeah.
Maybe becoming champion for 50 Super Series titles. You never know.
That difference
Yes.
between, and you mentioned that when you won for the first time, or when your mom told you, you felt, how do we compete against the Chinese and the Malaysians and stuff like that? When did you genuinely realize that they have advantages or they have training that you don't have, that it is an asymmetry in preparation? And then how did you overcome that?
So I was 13 when I played Thomas and Uber Cup, which is a senior level tournament, and there I was next to Aparna Popat. In the senior nationals, I lost to Aparna Popat in 2003 or 2004, and so two singles players, two pairs of doubles, and then same thing with the men's were selected, and that was the first time I went to Malaysia and I saw senior level badminton, and I saw world number ones and all the top players over there, how they're training, how they're warming up, how they're going to prepare for the match, and then after losing, what are they doing? So all these things comes with experience. So I've seen them do these things for that 1 year and the next year, and 2006 में I won my first championship. So 2 साल लगे मुझे. I mean, I played these big tournaments and I was seeing how they're training. And then of course Gopi sir became the coach, so he knew what kind of training is required. But how to prepare yourself for the match, what to eat. Sometimes they were there in the same hotel and same restaurant, and you're seeing that वो तो बिल्कुल perfectly they are having थोड़ा carbs, थोड़ा veggies, थोड़ा protein, and then I'll have to take care. ऐसे ही खाना भी खाना चाहिए, because I want to become like her. At
Yeah.
that point of time I was 14 and she was world number one. So कुछ तो ऐसा करना पड़ेगा that I reach that stage. And after that, slowly when I started winning tournament, that was just with the belief and seeing them, how they're training, and of course Gopi sir's training. But by 2010, I was world number two,
Yeah.
and was winning so many super series. That is when we started getting in international coaches as well.
Okay.
तो उसके बाद थोड़ा इजी तो वैसे भी होने लगा, क्योंकि बाहर के कोचेज आके हमें आइडिया देने लग गए. बट उससे पहले जितना भी आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग हुआ है, वो गोपी सर का आइडिया था या मेरा पुशिंग था. क्योंकि वो चाइना, कोरिया कभी भी अपना ट्रेनिंग ऐसा ओपन में
देंगे
नहीं
नहीं,
दिखाते थे. दे यूज्ड टू डू दैट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर टूर्नामेंट, बट व्हाट दे एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू डू फॉर विनिंग सो मेनी टाइटल्स इन अ ईयर, नोबडी न्यू. एंड नाउ डेज ओनली आपको यूट्यूब ये
Yeah.
सब में इतना दिखाई दे रहा है, सोशल मीडिया में. बट 2000 से 2007-8 तक तो कुछ ज़्यादा आइडिया था नहीं क्या चल रहा
Tactically,
है. या
badminton, how do you, is there tactics when you go into playing different
course,
players, and
of
how do you
course.
think of, so again, for most of us, because we don't have access to as much badminton on TV unless you're playing or unless someone is playing for a medal, or in Olympics people don't watch as much
As much,
badminton.
yeah.
They play it, but we're not good enough to understand tactics. So tactically, when you go from number 2 to number 1, or number 10 to number 2, or as number 200 player when you beat the number 3 player, how much do you think before you get into a game? I was reading something you said about how you play left-handed players, how the angles
Angles
change.
change, yeah.
How do you think tactically, where does your coach help you? How do foreign coaches help you in that process?
I think if suppose you want to be in top 10, first of all, you will have to have all-round game. You cannot have just one point which is very strong and the other is very weak.
Okay.
So you'll have to have good attack and maybe a very good defense, or a good defense or a very good attack.
Okay.
तो वो थोड़ा सा आपको top 10 players में वो quality
Where did
रहनी
you feel
पड़ेगी.
stronger?
I was very good at attack
Okay.
and decent defense. I didn't have a bad defense, and I was like, जो भी आता था उस तरफ जाएगा ही, and with good this thing, accuracy. तो मुझे लगता है जो टेक्निक होती है, या आप जो डिसाइड करते हैं जिस प्लेयर के साथ जैसा खेलना है. सपोज आई हैव टू प्ले विद चाइनीज, और चाइनीज एवरीवन इज गॉट डिफरेंट गेम. सपोज वैंग हैन वाज वेरी गुड with powerful half smashes and very good drives. Then there was one player who was very good in rallies and very good drop shots. Tai Zuing was very good with all kind of shots. She was like difficult situations se bhi she'll play some beautiful shots, and she's like Roger Federer of badminton. And then we had someone like Carolina Marin, who was just so fast. I mean, she was रियली फास्ट. आपको ऐसे इतना फास्ट प्लेयर विमेन कैटेगरी में मिलना पहले कभी देखा नहीं आपने. फिर उसके बाद सो मेनी प्लेयर्स यूज टू जस्ट रिट्रीव. तो सबका अलग अलग गेम रहता है. एंड देन व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, यू विल हैव टू मेक श्योर यू आर someone like me. Suppose I have very good attack, so I'll have to make sure my defense is going perfect. It's going in a way that I can continue my rally and then finish it with a very good smash or a half smash. और drop shots भी इतना accuracy से जाना चाहिए that the opponent should struggle. क्योंकि कोई भी दूसरे जो शॉट्स आप खेल रहे हैं, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक उसके हाथ में हो या सेंटर में हो. शी शुड एक्चुअली स्ट्रगल फॉर दैट सो दैट यू गेट दैट एम्प्टी स्पेस दूसरे साइड पे, एंड देन यू कैन अटैक एंड फिनिश दैट ऑफ. तो ऐसी चीज़ें कोचेस डायरी पे लिखते हैं, जो हर एक प्लेयर की कुछ वीक पॉइंट होंगे, कुछ वीक पॉइंट मतलब वहाँ पे इमीडिएटली पॉइंट तो नहीं आ जाएगा, बट मे बी शी माइट स्ट्रगल देयर
Over time.
ओवर टाइम, एंड देन वहाँ पे पॉइंट आने की चांसेस हैं, या वहाँ पे उसको कैच कर सकते हैं, या कहीं और इमीडिएटली शॉट मार के पॉइंट पॉइंट आ जाता है. बट ये जो सब चीज़ें हैं लिखने पड़ते हैं. फॉर एवरी एवरी प्लेयर यू हैव डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज, एंड उसके लिए जैसे मैंने बताया, जब कोचेस आने शुरू हो गए, तो देन वी अंडरस्टूड दैट एवरी प्लेयर रिक्वायर इंडिविजुअल ट्रेनिंग. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू
Correct.
हैपन दैट कि आप सब साथ में सेम ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि सबका बॉडी टाइप अलग है, सबका गेम अलग है. किसी प्लेयर को कुछ ट्रेनिंग चाहिए तो किसी को कुछ ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. सो दैट आई वाज लाइक, हम इतने साल से सेम ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर जस्ट पुशिंग द सेम वे. बट देन ही इंटरनेशनल कोचेस ने आके समझाया कि वन कोच इज़ देयर फॉर 4 प्लेयर्स. चाइना में 3-4 प्लेयर्स के लिए एक कोच है,
Coach है.
और यहाँ पे आप 30-40 प्लेयर्स के लिए एक कोच का हेल्प ले रहे हैं. बट स्टिल यू नो वी वर इम्प्रूविंग. आई वॉज विनिंग. आई बिकेम वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 विद दैट. But when the idea came, I started understanding कि, or if I have to defeat someone like Tai Tzu Wang Yihan, who are continuously dominating, क्योंकि वो साल I think 2010 से 13-14 तक top 10 में I was the one and Tinebon Taizuing with 7-8 Chinese
Then
players.
okay.
I mean, quarters में China,
हाँ.
semis में China, finals में China, इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा था. We were giving them tough fight, and most of the titles, Tinebon was winning, Taizuing was winning, I was winning. तो हम obviously Gopi sir made sure कि full year you will have to be in good shape. I had this tendency to put on weight very fast, and 17 tournaments मतलब आप एक दिन में थोड़ा सा कुछ खा लें तो you will have that half kg up down भी हो जाता है. And then he comes and says कि opponent तो नहीं खा रही है, you know, and then that's what makes the difference of winning the title and being a runner up, and you're, and that's what makes me really angry, you know.
Yeah.
Just थोड़े से वो चीज़ के mistake हो गई, and slowly you understand with this experience, and you try and become more strict with yourself, and you like that strictness now. You like that pressure, you like that strictness. You become aware of what strategy you have to use with what player. You also start writing it. मतलब अपने आप भी समझ जाते हैं कि आपकी क्या mistake है. But at top 10, top 20 level, you'll have to have all-round game. It's very difficult otherwise to win matches with having only one good quality, and very good stamina, very good speed, very good agility. So there are so many trainings which you'll have to include. अगर strength कम है तो strength को भी और improve करना पड़ेगा with good weights, with good protein, जैसे आप उसको इंक्लूड करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली डाइटिशियन इज़ देयर फॉर दैट. बट मुझे लगता है मेरे जो गेम के लिए, आफ्टर बिकमिंग टॉप इन आफ्टर बिकमिंग इन कमिंग इन टू टॉप 5, आई नीडेड 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग टू गेट टू नंबर 1 पोजीशन. क्योंकि मुझे लगने लगा कहीं, अगर जब मैं वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 बन गई, दैट वाज लाइक अ सडन राइज, एंड देन दे वर थिंकिंग दैट साइना आ गई और सबको हरा रही है, बट नाउ एवरीवन इज टारगेटिंग मी.
Correct.
एंड देन दैट इज व्हेन आई गॉट स्टक, और आंसर्स नहीं मिल रहे थे.
Is that why one of the reasons you changed in
I moved to
2014?
Bangalore, yes.
But you also changed coaches in
That is a
2014.
yeah, moved to Bangalore, and
Yeah.
from Gopi sir I went to Vimal sir. That was the reason, because somewhere we felt stuck कि ऐसा कैसे हो रहा है कि I suppose it is happening 1 versus 8 now. 8 Chinese and I am the only one, and I'll have to find answers for all of them. And they found answers for me. कि इसको कैसे
As
हराना
a
है.
group. Hope you guys enjoying the conversation. Give us a like, subscribe, or a share. I had a chance to do a podcast with Mr. Vishwanathan Anand as well.
Yes, yes.
And he was saying the same thing because, like you, he was alone against the Russians.
Yes.
And he felt a lot of times they were planning together.
Yeah.
And it was 1 versus 8. And you mentioned something. Other thing is that when you reach number 2, then suddenly everyone wants to catch you.
Of course.
Did you feel a change? Did you feel a change in pressure? Did you have to change your mental kind of methods, your training methods, because you have now you're protecting your rank rather than achieving a rank?
Actually वो टाइम पे भी, I mean, I was feeling that what is going wrong, that I'm training so hard but still I'm not able to defeat them. I mean, जो 2-3 साल पहले हो रहा था, अभी suddenly they are catching me easily. They are actually very strong now. What is the difference? So when I'm asking Gopi sir or when I'm asking my trainer, जो भी वहाँ पे थे। अगेन ट्रेनर वाज नॉट लाइक 2014-15 से जो चेंजेस आए हैं, आई मीन इमेजिन जो टॉप 10 में प्लेयर्स हैं सबको एक ट्रेनर, एक फिजियो, एक कोच मिलने लग गए, बट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम सबका एक ही ट्रेनर था, सबका एक ही फिजियो था। सो इट वाज गेटिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द ट्रेनर ऑल्सो कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई वाज स्ट्रांग, मेरे लेग्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग थे, लेकिन मे बी आई हैड टू बिल्ड अप थोड़ा और स्पीड, यू नेवर नो। सो व्हेन आई टू डिस्कस विद गोपी सर, ही वाज लाइक ठीक तो चल रहा है, बट आई डोंट नो कहाँ मिस्टेक हो रही है, समटाइम्स बिकॉज ही शुड नॉट ट्रैवल एज
Yeah.
मच, इतने सारे प्लेयर्स वहाँ पे हैं, तो ही यूज्ड टू फील दैट समटाइम्स यू गो विद डिफरेंट कोचेस एंड सी हाउ इट इज़, बट देन डिफरेंट कोचेस का भी आंसर यही रहता था, बिकॉज दे वर सो परफेक्ट, सडनली टू फाइंड द
A
मिस्टेक्स
weakness.
ऑफ वीकनेस वो नहीं हो पा रहा था। एंड मी वॉचिंग द मैच अगेन एंड अगेन, तो उसमें एनर्जी इतना ज़्यादा चले जा रहा था कि देन आई हैव टू ट्रेन एंड आई हैव टू ईट वेल, आई हैव टू रिकवर, आई हैव टू स्लीप। 24 आवर्स कब खत्म हो जाता है पता भी नहीं चलता है उसमें। सो आई वॉज लाइक कुछ तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज नाउ फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 आई हैव कम डाउन टू वर्ल्ड नंबर 8 और 9, and now it's the time that if I don't do something different, maybe I will not be able to challenge them because they're so strong.
How did you reach world number one then?
So that is when I changed from Gopi sir to Vimal sir. I requested Gopi sir that I need one-to-one
Okay.
attention maybe, and maybe change of place. Sometimes maybe you just feel that you are getting stuck
Yeah.
and not finding solutions. So maybe I'll just go there and see how it is. If it doesn't happen, then I will regret that. If something happens, then I'm going to obviously
Yeah.
feel happy for that, and I will not have any regret later in my life that I didn't try.
Got it.
So I went to Vimal sir, and one big thing what changed was obviously speed. He was
Okay.
like, "You were very good in rallying. You were very good in picking up. Your shots were very good. Smashes were very hard, but you were a little bit slow." So then, suddenly I picked up the speed. We did different kind of speed drills, made my movements much
But at
faster.
that age,
Yeah,
having achieved everything you had achieved,
yeah.
were you was it easy for you to accept that this is a weakness? And how does one change? How do you improve at that age? Even at that age, how do you then improve your speed?
You become very disciplined. You understand what your weaknesses are if you want to achieve more. I don't want to be someone who just won one title and
Yeah.
just happy with that. I wanted to win more, and for that I know I have to be very very much disciplined. I have to keep listening to all the senior coaches or my parents what mistake I'm doing, because sometimes people who watch will give you better advice than the one who is playing. It always
Yeah.
happens. When you play, you don't understand what is going wrong, but that's why the coaches are sitting behind and telling you the answers of each rally. Sometimes they're there, but our mind is working so fast, what will happen, that sometimes we don't even take those good points. We don't understand how to you know मतलब बोल तो रहे हैं
Huh.
ड्रॉप ड्रॉप खेलो, बट हो नहीं रहा है वो
Correct. In that.
टेंशन में हो नहीं रहा है वो। आई एम लाइक
Uh,
क्या करना चाहिए, बट यू विल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट। सपोज टाइजोइंग एंड वैंगी हैन आर सो परफेक्ट विद देयर शॉट्स, and they are doing it 100 times. I'll have to do it 1,000 number of times because their wrist is so soft and nice, beautiful wrist, and my wrist was quite stiff. I had to make my shots feel like very good. So for that I had to work extra hard, but at the same time मुझे ये भी लगने लगा कि कहीं और भी मिस्टेक हो रही है। दैट विमल सर फाउंड आउट के स्पीड में बहुत मिस्टेक
got it.
था। एंड देन सडनली फ्रॉम नवंबर 2014 टू आई थिंक अप्रैल 2015, sudden jump from world number 9 to world number 1. I also got my first world championship
Yeah.
medal after 6-7 attempts. I don't know, in the quarterfinals. In the quarterfinals, I played Wang Yihan in Jakarta, and she actually hugged me after that match, and she was like, "Oh, how many quarterfinals you have played to get this medal?" And I was like, "Yeah." So we were having that good moment over there, but only she and I knew that how difficult it is to get a medal, and we both were actually chatting about it.
No, sometimes we always feel, and shooting is similar, badminton was similar,
Similar, yes.
that the Indians, in certain moments, we just not able to cross the hurdle. Gold medal is an example that we
Yeah.
win the tournaments, but that Olympic gold is elusive. And
Yes, yes.
sometimes in shooting, also, I'm sure you're a fan. You also must be feeling that we win the championship series, or when the lights are off, we're better than all these guys. But when the lights are on, um, to you, did that feel more that limitation came because of technical aspects, because of training, because of that, or did that limitation come because of mental uh, mental aspects when you had to cross that sixth to seventh tournament or Olympic,
Gold and all.
bronze, silver, uh, gold? Where do you think, in your mind, where was the limitations?
I think I didn't know what is going to happen with my career because I didn't have Saina or Sindhu training next to me. It was all only a start. If you see 90% of time, I was the first one to win Super Series. I was the first one to win World Juniors.
Yeah.
I was the first one to win Commonwealth Games gold. I was the first one to win Olympic medal. So I didn't know कि ये possible है. So if now someone is training
Yeah.
in Gopichand Academy or Prakash Podkone Academy, they know Olympic gold is possible. Asian Games gold is possible. World number one is possible. And that's why it's happening, right? Chirag Satwik winning the Asian Games
Yeah.
gold. We have the Asian Championships gold medal. We have world number ones now. Me, Shrikant, Satwik,
Yeah.
Chirag. We have Olympic medals now. I mean, for me, I think it was just that everything was new. I didn't know world number one हो भी सकता है women category में, which never happened
And
before.
did we put extra pressure on the Olympics compared
Definitely extra,
to
yes. But it was all new for me. I was like, हमें तो आ ही नहीं सकता है क्योंकि पहले कभी आया ही नहीं. तो जब when I played, it was like कैसे गोल्ड हो सकता है? यहाँ पे तो चाइना, कोरिया, जापान ही है. जब मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग है कि कैसे हो सकता है, एंड माय पेरेंट्स एंड कोचेस आर सेइंग कि हो सकता है. ओनली दे आर देयर टू टेल मी एंड पुश मी कि ट्रेन हार्ड के हो सकता है, पॉसिबल है. आई वॉज नॉट श्योर कि ओलंपिक गोल्ड हमें पहले आ चुका है. नाउ सपोज इफ सिंधु इज गॉट मेडल, आई हैव
yeah.
गॉट मेडल, नाउ द नेक्स्ट विमेन कैटेगरी पर्सन विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट कि गोल्ड पॉसिबल है.
Possible.
वो आई थिंक समवेयर वाज मिसिंग.
Of all the things that you've done, being number one and winning the Olympic gold, and what we consider our Federer Nadal match, which is the Commonwealth 2018, which is you versus
सिंधु,
Sindhu.
यस.
Was there anything that gave you a little more, that 10% more pleasure, or was there anything that's of all the three, that was the most important thing for you personally to achieve?
No, I think Olympic medal and world number one was something which was unimaginable for me. That match, obviously, people made it big because we both were
Yeah.
playing, but we had played 100 matches in practice, and it was all normal. Whenever I played her, it was never like. I never had to struggle that way because we knew each other's game. So I knew where to play and get points against her, and she also knew most of the time. But I think what was really tough was to get to number one because you have to win so many titles to get to number one.
It's consistency.
It's consistency. You cannot get to world number one by winning one title. It has to be like suppose वो 17 tournaments है साल में, at least 10 में आपको final या semis खेलना ही है.
But for you, as a purely as a badminton player, not as an Indian, but just purely as a badminton player, is that a harder achievement than an Olympic gold medal in your mind?
No, no, no. Olympic gold and world number one both are hard.
Okay.
Yes, I cannot pick one because Olympic gold is luck. When you are
Sure.
there, when you're in the finals, it's also luck because you have practiced so hard, you have trained so hard. Both are equal now. Who are playing the finals. कभी कभी आप देखते हैं कितने मैचेस फाइनल थर्ड गेम में 20-20. आई कांट से उसने थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है. इट्स जस्ट दैट थोड़ी सी लक उसके साइड में हो गई एंड देन दैट शॉट फेल ऑन टू द लाइन और ही वॉज वेरी और शी वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट मुझे ये पॉइंट आएगा. तो कॉन्फिडेंस में लक में थोड़ा सा मैटर हो जाता है फाइनल्स का. Otherwise, world number one is lot of consistency, lot of consistency. So I would say Olympic gold, hats off, is something which every player dreams of. And बचपन से खेलना शुरू करते हैं उसके लिए कि ओलंपिक मेडल हमारे पास है तो आई थिंक it completes you. You feel like I started playing some sport and then it was my dream to get an Olympic medal. एंड वर्ल्ड नंबर वन बन गए तो आई मीन उससे बड़ा और कुछ नहीं. इट्स टुगेदर, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक बोनस. But you will have but if you're thinking of consistency and being at the top for so many years and um, like एक legend type feeling आता है when you suppose like a Tai Tzu being in being world number one for 7 years, although she didn't win the world championships and Olympic medal, but she's still a legend because she was there
Seven
for
years.
7 years. I mean, she was such a talented player. Sometimes वही finals में वो stress आ जाता है, tension आ जाता है, but you cannot forget someone like Tai Tzu, such a great player.
Decision this year to retire.
Yeah.
Um, it's still 20 years,
Yes.
which is longer than
Long.
most most athletes in
Yes.
any sport. How do you take that decision? How hard is it? When did you think that this is the right time? Are you used to it yet, or is it even sunk in?
I mean, I'm not used to it, but it feels like when I look back, I've pushed for so many years. I every day getting up and training hard, every day thinking about आज training अच्छा होगा कि नहीं, आज अच्छे से खाना खाया कि नहीं, today the sleep was good or not, coaches का डांट सुनना every day, be ready, be on your toes, bend your legs, I mean, bend your knees, be alert. I
Yeah.
mean, every day you're listening to all these things, and suddenly one day it's not there. And you're also feeling happy because you're not pushing your body so hard. But at the same time, abhi, it's been quite a while that I've left it because I got arthritis,
Yeah.
complete degeneration of the cartilage. So doctor was like, even if you do surgery, it's not going to help you. I mean, finally, if you push for 1 2 hours, you cannot be in top 10. It's not going to help. If you want to be in top 10, if you want to win tournaments, you'll have to push 7 to 8 hours every day, which was not possible with this knee. And I was like, I think I've tried everything. I tried all kind of things to make my knee right, but it didn't work out. And I, after being in top 10 for 12 years, I didn't want to play at a level where I'm not
In that,
happy.
yeah.
Because I wanted to give my best in every match. And if it is not happening and I'm thinking in my head, instead of playing how to play with the opponent, I'm thinking mera knee theek hai ya nahi, I think that's not the right way to play. So I just thought ki, I think enough is enough, I'll just take it easy now. But yes, I miss that fighting, that
Yeah.
competition feeling. I love more than badminton. I think that competition feeling, that feeling of working hard, I just love all that. And yes, I do miss it, but I think आने वाले सालों में और ज़्यादा I will feel it.
What do you, you know, for someone who I believe you saw your first movie in a theater at 21,
Yes.
and then you had a movie on your story,
Yes.
and I read again. You can correct me if I'm wrong. That you got to meet your favorite actor after you did well. Um, have you taken any time to just reflect yet on these kind of cool things that the sport has allowed you to achieve? And what are the things that you didn't do that I think over the next 2 3 years you watch more movies or eat some kinds of food. What is in your mind in terms of the now that you don't have a coach or you don't have to train?
I mean, we're used to that kind of body now that, I mean, थोड़ा कुछ खा भी लेते हैं तो it feels like जाके running कर लेते हैं. I think it's better feel good when
Yeah.
you're toned. Of course, I want to try all kind of food, but I'll have to make sure also that थोड़ा limit में
Yeah.
रहूँ. I mean, it always looks nice if you're toned and strong like how a sports person is, and then you want to. Movies, so I used to love watching movies. So obviously I went to theater when I was 2021 for
Yeah.
the first time. I went and watched in the theater. I was like, अब वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 बन गई हूँ तो ठीक है, एक बार दो बार जाके देख लेती हूँ कैसा लगता है. But yes, I watch a lot of movies. I want to travel the world with my parents because उनकी उनका पूरा टाइम मेरे पीछे चला गया. They were so dedicated like me. I mean, जितना टाइम मैंने बाहर टूर्नामेंट्स में जाके खेला, और I must have traveled the world from 2003. But
Correct.
कभी भी when I've played matches, tournaments, I didn't get time to roam around and see the city. It was always about winning,
So,
losing.
what's the city that you really, when you played, you said, "I just need to come back here to see this city"? Is there any city like that
There
you?
was Singapore, London,
Okay.
there was Paris. So I wanted to go back and see आराम से कि होता क्या है. And otherwise it was just that वापस जाओ, training करो, you have next tournament. Every month you have to do tournaments. So where is the time to actually visit and take that break
So,
of
what are
two
the
three
kind of
days?
holidays that you think you like, or those are the kind of holidays that you want to go for? That now that you have the time, is it more cities? Is it more relaxing, or even the holiday should have
Yeah.
some sport aspect or some active aspect?
For now, a little bit relaxing and
Okay.
seeing other places, which Kashmir is very nice. I mean, seeing such scenery
Uh-huh.
places, I would love to see that. Slowly, maybe some kind of sport if it is
Yeah.
there, it gives that feeling of, yes, I'm playing and I feel nice.
Yeah.
Again, you feel like that player. And I'm doing a lot of motivational talks. I
Okay.
want to motivate a lot of youngsters to take up sports because I feel sports is really picking up well in India, and everyone is now achieving so much. So they have that confidence. Social media se sab jagah se they know who are playing, what they have to do to become a champion. In fact, I feel in school we have all the best stadiums nowadays. In school, I see Olympic size
Yeah.
pool and best badminton courts, best track for running. But I somehow feel that the PT period is a little less for understanding what the sport is. And also, I will request the schools to show kids maybe like a film, or all the matches which the top players have played over the years, not only in badminton but all different kind of sports, so that the kids understand what the sport is. And they can only pick it up when they're young, when they're 8 9. And that is when actually I'm saying for Indians, but otherwise in China, Russia and all, they started at the age of 3 or 4.
I was going to say actually even 8 9 maybe. I
Is
think you smashed the ball very quickly, so there was a talent aspect there. But
Yes, yes.
from whatever I have read, a lot of people start
The
three,
3 or
four,
4, yes,
five,
yes.
even musical instruments, even sports that really get to that level. What are the things that you've been seeing that give you hope for Indian sport? And what are the things that, like you said, one of the things is time spent in school.
Yes.
But in terms of facilities and all, I'm sure it's improved, and our results show that. But what are the kind of things that, on a positive note, that you feel like, oh, what are some of the young players that we've not heard of, that give you that feeling, which maybe your coaches had when they saw you at 14, 15, 16, that you feel, okay, these guys are capable of bringing us.
I think Lakshya is good. Lakshya is
Yeah.
very good. Priyanshu is very good. In girls, we have Unnati Hooda. We have Tanvi Sharma, who's doing extremely well. I mean, these girls are showing very positive results, and I mean, the coaches are also quite impressed with their results. In fact, I think Tanvi got silver medal in the World Championship, Junior World Championship. So, badminton is in a way going in the right direction. We have become someone who is very strong, and the whole world is also scared of India now. And I'm looking forward to obviously next Olympics,
Yeah.
LA, but the main one will be 2036. We are aiming to get
Yeah.
Olympics in India. So I'm hoping that getting Olympics is okay, but we getting number one tally in the medals tally,
In the world,
in the world
should that be the aim?
should be our aim, because we are talented, we are very smart, we are very strong. It's just that I think we become little lazy in terms of working hard. I mean, that way, how much ever we hate China, Korea, Japan, but they work so hard to achieve it, or US or Australia. You see how hard they work, and I'm sure the support of all the coaches and parents are so much that they start from the age of 3 4 that I want to be an Olympic champion. I mean, the kind of hard work they put in, it's coming in India. We are very positive about it, but I think still we're a little lazy. We feel कि शायद नहीं होगा, but I mean, if मुझसे होगा, we all can do it. I just want our
Yeah.
country to become sporting nation as well, yeah.
Other than the fact that you didn't have all these things
Yeah.
going up, do you think now it's only a function of work, or do you still think we're lacking in physios or in performance? So for the next 13-year-old, 10-year-old, 8-year-old, 9-year-old, is it just a function of effort now? Or do you still feel there are places where these other countries are ahead of us in facilities?
I feel it is all parents now.
Okay.
Parents are not as strict as before, I feel. And it's up to them, however
How
they
do you
want.
how do you solve that? Because I'm a parent, and so I also have that sometimes. How do you solve that strictness versus pushing
Yeah.
versus, because as a parent, sometimes if your kid doesn't make it, uh, even at your level, but let's say even at a national level, and but you still had them miss birthdays and
Yeah.
events and movies and things like
तो वो
that.
मिस करवाना होगा ना आपको.
Correct.
आई मीन इट इज, आप आपको बोलना चाहिए मुझे कि क्या करना चाहिए, बिकॉज एट दिस मोमेंट इफ आई से बर्थडे नहीं बनाना है, या दिवाली, होली, ये सब हमने कभी नहीं बनाया,
हाँ.
छुट्टी नहीं लिया, संडे भी प्रैक्टिस किया. अब कोई मुझे आके बोलता है आज ये डे है ना तो छुट्टी ले लेंगे, मैंने कहा ठीक है ले लो, बट इट्स मतलब हमने तो फीवर में, कोल्ड में, सब
सब में
में ट्रेनिंग किया, मैचेस भी खेलना पड़ा। बट आई थिंक समवेयर यू विल हैव टू, मतलब घर से ही शुरुआत होती है कि बच्चा कैसा रहता है, बच्चे का नेचर कैसा रहता है और उसको आप कैसे बनाना चाहते हैं। बिकॉज सबके स्टोरी में आई हैव सीन, जितने भी प्लेयर्स ने अच्छा किया है, इन मी, सिंधु, श्रीकांत या कश्यप या एनीवन, सबके एक पेरेंट हमेशा पागल तो रहा है उनको पुश करने के लिए। एंड इट्स अप टू द पेरेंट नाउ टू डिसाइड, बिकॉज आप उसको गाड़ी देंगे, आप उसके साथ नैनी को भेजेंगे और बोलेंगे ठीक है टाइम पास के लिए खेल रहा है बच्चा। बट आई थिंक इफ द पेरेंट इज गोइंग विद द किड विद दैट बिलीव दैट आई वांट टू मेक हर और हिम ओलंपिक चैंपियन, देन द माइंडसेट इज डिफरेंट।
So that mentorship that the parents need almost.
यस,
Is that something that, so when you
बट
say,
टाइम कहाँ है, दोनों काम भी कर रहे हैं ना।
हाँ,
मतलब एक को काम अगर गिव अप करना हो तो आई थिंक दूसरा बोलेगा वो क्यों नहीं करेगा। आई मीन अब ये भी फाइट हो सकती है शायद
sure.
बिटवीन हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ, व्हाई शुड आई डू इट, यू डू इट। उस टाइम पे आई थिंक मम्मी का ये काम था कि वो एज ए हाउस वाइफ के वो करें, एंड पापा इज अर्निंग एनीवेज,
Yeah.
गोइंग टू ऑफिस एंड कमिंग बैक। बट क्या आज के जनरेशन के जो भी पेरेंट्स हैं, विल दे गिव एवरीथिंग टू द किड एंड से कि मुझे जॉब नहीं जाना है और इसके सपनों के लिए मैं आई विल जस्ट बी बिहाइंड।
It's a little bit chicken and egg kabhi, because जैसे आपने बोला that even when your mom told you on Sunday don't go, your innate, even at that age of 8, 9,
Yeah.
10, innate thought was that I want to go.
Yeah.
तो कभी
वो
I
बनाया
think,
गया ना, लेकिन 8 9 10 तक तो पुश किया गया। दैट इज व्हेन शी वाज हैप्पी दैट शी इज विनिंग एट अंडर 13 अंडर 16, उसको थोड़ा रेस्ट दे देते हैं। दैट इज व्हेन इट वाज लाइक अब मेरे अंदर भी आ
आ
गया
गया.
वो फीलिंग। बट स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा नहीं था। स्टार्टिंग में इट वाज ऑब्वियसली यू विल हैव टू पुट इट इन द, मतलब उसके दिमाग में डालना ही पड़ेगा अगर वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है। सपोज ऑब्वियसली प्रेशर आता है
And
कि
आपने ये
क्लास में।
sacrifice किया है, like if you
Yes.
have arthritis right now,
Yes.
that is because of 8, 10 hours
Of
of
pushing,
work.
you know.
Yeah. Any, um, for lack of a better word, any regrets on that? Anything that you feel like too much pushing, or
Oh no, I mean, who will get the chance to play for the country,
yeah,
becoming world number one and winning so many titles in a sport which was not even so popular in our country, and doing that? Yes, maybe at that age, 8 9 में क्यों मुझे गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, क्यों मुझे ये कर रहे हैं and all that, but now, I'm Saina Nehwal and people recognize me
yeah.
everywhere, and that is the kind of feeling I think everyone wants. कितना भी बोल लो आप कि इतना पुश किया, इतना टॉर्चर किया, इतना ये किया, ठीक है, उस टॉर्चर से अगर कुछ बना इंसान तो आई मीन वो टॉर्चर 10 बार सहूँ तो भी चलेगा। आई वुड, अगला जन्म भी हुआ तो आई वुड वांट टू बी अ प्लेयर, बिकॉज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग, स्पोर्ट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग दैट आप देखिए दुनिया में सबसे पॉपुलर अभी जोकोविच, फेडरर, सेरेना विलियम्स, आई मीन इट फील्स सो स्पेशल। आई विल ऑलवेज वांट टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। एंड यस, ऐसा लगता होगा कि बच्चों पे हाथ नहीं उठाना चाहिए, यू विल हैव टू रियली बी, बट अगर उसको कुछ बनाना है तो उसको स्ट्रिक्ट तो रखना ही पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो हमारे पास कहाँ से स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, नेवी में या आर्मी में बच्चे कहाँ से आएंगे हमारे पास।
नहीं, and I think uh, most great players, football,
Yeah,
badminton,
yes, yes,
tennis, whether you see Nadal's story or
yes,
Andy, even
माइकल फेल्प्स का देख लो, संडेज
Phelps,
को 8 8 घंटे
even Cristiano
ट्रेनिंग।
Ronaldo,
यस,
anybody, right? I think the story is so similar to your story. To
यस,
every great sportsman almost has the same story. Even if you look at one of my favorite sportsmen is Andy Murray, because in in in
उसने
the
इतने बार अपना हिप का सर्जरी करवाया
and
टू प्ले।
in that era, to win even 2 or 3 tournaments,
Yes.
he could have given up.
Yes,
But from young age, when he left and kind of did that training,
yes,
um, yeah, there's no alternative if that is your if that's your
main
aim,
aim.
if that's
That's
your
main.
aim. How much did 3 4 5 years after you, a lot of players started coming in?
Yes,
And ultimately, when you go to the Olympics, for me, for any Indian, it's some Indian should win.
yes,
But for you guys, there's individual glory as well.
yes.
How do you match that? How do you match, uh, for example, your rivals, so to speak, would be Sindhu. How would you match her victory against your victory? When would you disassociate, saying, okay, at least an Indian one, or I'd rather have an Indian win than another country, versus your own personal Glory, and how much did
Yeah.
they push you? Uh,
I mean, they pushed me very hard as well. You know, I used to, we actually push each other very hard when we were all, I think 2010 से 2020 तक इतने सारे रिजल्ट्स आए हैं हमको नॉन स्टॉप, इतने सारे सुपर सीरीज आए हैं, इतने सारे मेडल्स आए हैं. दैट इज़ बिकॉज वी पुश्ड ईच अदर सो मच. यू नो, सबको एक दूसरे के लिए लगता था कि शी इज़ पुशिंग हार्ड और शी इज़ पुशिंग हार्ड. इनफैक्ट सम मेल प्लेयर्स ऑल्सो यूज टू फील दैट these girls are pushing
pushing
really
hard.
hard, we should also push really hard. So I mean, in a way, of being alert is very important. That gave me a sense of, that gave me a sense of alertness, that you know those players are picking up and they want to do well, they want to achieve a lot more, so I better, you know, be
Yeah.
more careful and be ready for all the youngsters who are coming up, and they will want to defeat me. They will also want to achieve the best, but in a way that we all are playing for our country. You know, we are finally going to represent our country and play against the best of the world. So it's not, it's an individual sport, so you might face her, you might not face her in the
Yeah.
tournament, but you will have to be ready for all the top 10 and top 15 player. बिकॉज आपको चैम्पियनशिप जीतना है तो आपको फर्स्ट राउंड, सेकंड राउंड, क्वार्टर, सेमीज, फाइनल्स तो खेलना ही है. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट थिंक दैट कि मुझे फाइनल में ही हैव टू बी रेडी. सो you know, after losing a match, of course you don't feel good, because finally you want to win it. It's an individual sport again, but you are feeling good that India is becoming so strong, that we are having so many players now,
Yeah.
that we're able to give tough fight to China, Korea, Japan, all these countries who are actually like a team. You know, वो एक player के लिए पूरा team बैठ जाता है कि हमें जीतना ही है.
But हम ऐसे नहीं करते. Do we not do that?
अभी उतने प्लेयर्स नहीं है. लाइक दे आर लाइक 50-60 ऑफ देम.
Okay.
इमेजिन डबल्स में, वुमेन्स डबल्स में, मिक्स डबल्स में, मेन सिंगल्स में, इतने सारे प्लेयर्स हैं ना. अगर एक खेल रहा होगा फाइनल्स ओलंपिक्स में या सपोज किसी बड़े टूर्नामेंट में, यू विल सी ऑल ऑफ देम सिटिंग. इवन द रिटायर्ड प्लेयर्स कम एंड वॉच देयर मैचेस. सो एक टीम जैसा बन जाता है, एंड दे आर सो हैप्पी टू सपोर्ट.
But वो missing है यहाँ पे.
वो मिसिंग है यहाँ पे. अपना, हम अपना ज़्यादा देखते हैं. आई थिंक स्टिल वी जस्ट लुक एट आर विंस मोर, एंड वी आर देयर इन द टीम इवेंट्स, वी सपोर्ट ईच अदर, बट स्टिल इंडिविजुअली आई डोंट सी दैट एज मच. बट आई थिंक मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट 10-20 ईयर्स, लेट्स सी हाउ. एक बार और हमारे पास जैसे ऐसे ही 5-10 या 20 प्लेयर्स आए जैसे लास्ट 10 ईयर्स में थे, देन वी माइट सी द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इज मे बी लिटिल डिफरेंट.
Are you able to watch badminton as a fan now? Are you able to see it and relax and just watch the sport?
I watch matches. I watch all the tournaments. If the Indians are playing, otherwise तो पता चल ही जाता है कौन जीतने वाला है. Most of the times you see who's in
Yeah.
form, and then इससे उससे better लगता है कि जाके जिम कर लूँ मैं ही खुद ही. You know, I go to gym and work out for 2-3 hours. I do my weight training, uphill walk on treadmill, because I can't run anyways
Yeah.
with that knee. But I watch whenever the Indians play, and I feel very very happy that they're improving and doing well. But yes, consistency थोड़ा miss हो रहा है अभी हम हमारे side से.
The rule changes going to if it goes through of 15 points.
Yeah.
How would it affect the sport? How would it have affected you? Does
I
it
mean,
help us? Does it not help us?
it'll help us a lot. It'll help everyone a lot. I think कोई भी जीत सकता है. I mean, 15 points is just so fast and quick, and I think they are trying to make it more media friendly, more for viewership, I guess. कि जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा तो और मैचेस भी मतलब जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएंगे, तो it'll be easy for the people to come and watch the match. तो आई थिंक मेनली व्यूअरशिप के लिए वो कर रहे हैं. बट 21 पॉइंट्स का एक फिर से रैली का वो जो लुक एक होता है,
Correct.
लॉन्ग रैलीज, लॉन्ग मैच, वो खत्म हो जाएगा कहीं, एंड इट बिकम मोर फास्टर आई गेस.
Especially, I think you've mentioned that you saw the Japanese players jog after the game.
30 minutes before, 30 minutes after, I mean, they are crazy. मतलब इतना लंबा मैच खेलने के बाद भी 30 मिनट्स रनिंग कर रहे हैं वो.
Wo, um, when you make the game shorter,
Yeah.
does it take away from that kind of stamina? And then
Yeah.
is that again, to your mind, instinctively, is that a good thing or a bad thing for the game, for the viewer, for Indian badminton?
It is a good thing because it will become much more faster, and it will become much more स्टेमिना का उतना ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा जितना अभी पड़ रहा है. बट आई थिंक जितना आप स्पीड ट्रेनिंग करते हो उतना भी इंजरीज होती ही हैं. स्पीड ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी काफ़ी इंजरीज होती है. हाउ वेल यू प्रोटेक्ट योर बॉडी इज़ गोइंग टू बी a challenge now, because speed is always with a lot of injuries. But stamina wise, I think game will become much more easier for a lot of players. And many players, abhi to An Seong is dominating like anything, the Korean player, but after 15 points, you never know. Maybe a player from Thailand just defeats her, or many players can defeat her at that point of time. So everyone will have to be faster, quicker, and every point they have to be really alert, क्योंकि 4-1 का lead is going to be almost like match हो रहा है, the stress is going to really increase much more.
And do you see yourself in the future doing any coaching, mentorship, opening academies, solving these missing links? What is your next 5, 10 years? Or
As
you've
of
not thought
now,
about
no,
it?
as of now, I'm very happy
Okay.
motivating young kids, going for motivational talks, and being there and giving them advice. But next 4-5 years, you never know. Just I want to go with the flow, and at the moment, just want to relax a bit because career has been really long and
Yeah.
it's always been very stressful. So just want to relax a bit. Ke, हाँ,
What's
छोटा
the
है.
what's the advice that you have for young kids? We've got a little bit of the advice for the parents,
Yes.
but for a young kid, because you don't have the ability as a 13-year-old to look at the whole picture.
Yeah.
You're just in the 13. So what is the kind of advice that you generally give, or that you feel like they should have?
I can only say that, believe in yourself, try and in whichever field you are, I think don't give up. I know sports is tough, physical, but, if you really want to do it, just go for it. We have a lot of people who study well, engineers, doctors, इतने सारे हमारे पास, but I think sports persons कहीं missing है, and it's just that sometimes I see a lot of girls, मेरे खुद की family में, I think my sister was also a lazy one and she was like नहीं होगा. So obviously you can't push someone like that to अगर नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, but I can just say that if I can do it, we all can become world number one. So just keep trying, keep listening to your parents, and आप अपने आप में जो विश्वास है वो खुद ही जगा सकते हैं, और कोई भी आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकता है. तो आप जितना भी अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलोगे और टीचर्स को बोलोगे, बट इफ़ यू डोंट पुश योर सेल्फ, इफ़ यू डोंट गेट दैट बिलीफ इन योर सेल्फ, आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन अचीव इट. या.
Listen, that was brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In general, thank you for the last 20 years, but also thank you for today.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
absolutely.
Thank you.